Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to type an exponent on a keyboard. Whether you're working on a math assignment, creating a scientific report, or just need to add a bit of flair to your text, knowing how to type exponents can be really handy. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the most common way to type an exponent, which is using the superscript feature available in most word processors like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Open your document in Microsoft Word, type the base number first. For example, let's type the number 5. Now, to type the exponent, highlight the number or character you want to turn into an exponent. Go to the Home tab in the toolbar at the top, then look for the X2 button, which represents the superscript function, and click on it. As you can see, the highlighted number is now an exponent. If you want to continue typing normally, just click the X2 button again to turn off the superscript mode. Simple, right? But what if you're not using a word processor that supports superscript, or you need to type an exponent in a different kind of document? Let's look at some other methods. Next, let's see how you can type exponents using keyboard shortcuts. This method works well in applications like Google Docs, which has built-in shortcuts for this. Open your document in Google Docs. Again, type the base number first. Highlight the character you want to turn into an exponent. Then, on a Windows PC, press CTRL period, CTRL. On a Mac, press Command period, CMD. There you go. Your text is now in superscript mode. To exit the superscript mode, simply use the same shortcut again. Now, what if you're working in plain text environments like when coding or typing in a basic text editor? Unfortunately, most plain text editors don't support superscript formatting directly. However, you can use Unicode characters to represent common exponents. For example, you can use the Unicode characters for 1, 2, and 3 by holding down the Alt key and typing the corresponding numeric code on the numeric keypad. Here are the codes. Alt 0178 for 2, Alt 01 170, then D 9 for 3. For 3, Alt 0185 for 1. Remember to use the numeric keypad for these codes. If your keyboard doesn't have a numeric keypad, you can copy and paste these characters from a website or document where they are available. Conclusion, and that's it. Now you know several ways to type an exponent on your keyboard. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.